These sugar cookies are simple, soft and sweet. Once you try one, you won't stop until the tray is empty. Let me show you how to make it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. For this recipe, we'll be using oil instead of butter. So in a bowl, you'll be adding half cup of vegetable oil, that is 120 ml. 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams, and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, that is 30 grams. Next, we will be adding 2 to 3 drops of vanilla gel. You can use vanilla sugar or vanilla essence, just add half teaspoon. Mix everything together until it becomes creamy. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams. After that, we mix together until a dough is formed. If your dough looks crumbly, continue mixing with your hands until the dough comes together. Once the dough has come together, lightly flour your work surface and transfer the dough to it. Then we roll out the dough using a rolling pin to our desired thickness. Next, we cut out the edges to form a big square. Remove the excess and set aside. We will still be using it to form more cookies. Next, we cut into smaller square shapes. At this point, you can cut it to any shape of your choice. Once that is done, transfer to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Then you make any design of your choice on the cookies. I'll be making these shapes on it. Because we are making sugar cookies, we'll be sprinkling some granulated sugar on the cookies. It's for extra flavor. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the cookies are baked, allow to cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. These cookies store well for up to 2 weeks. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Let me know if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. Also, write in the comment section the beverage you'll be pairing these cookies with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.